Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make Amsotto Kacha Aam diye or mango bar or candy with raw mango. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It can be served as an appetizer, dessert, or can be cooked with other ingredients to make chutney. It can be made with both raw mango and ripe mango. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe and like my channel. You can also leave your comments below. The cutting of the mango is shown to facilitate novice cooks. It was shot previously only for tutorial purpose. To make amsotto, take water enough to submerge the mango pieces, raw mango or kacha aam 5, yellowish inside, or as much ripish as possible so that less sugar will be required. Skin is peeled off and cut into small pieces. Mango seed is not used. And salt, about 1/4 teaspoon in a container. Boil in medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the water and keep aside. Transfer the boiled mango to mixer and grinder. Grind it into fine paste till there is no lump remaining. Transfer the paste to a bowl. Add the mashed mango to a non-stick pan. No oil is needed. Add the remaining of the mango paste with some water. Knead it to avoid wastage. It will increase the cooking time slightly. It is optional. Add the yellow food color a pinch with 2 teaspoons of hot water. Instead of yellow color, orange color can be added. Salt about 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder about ½ teaspoon. Sugar about 1 cup. Artificial sugar can also be added here. Bay leaf 1 and cardamom skin 3. Mix well and cook in medium to low heat. Keep stirring. Sugar will melt and make the paste juicier. Remember, bay leaf and cardamom skins are used for flavor. Instead of them, roasted cumin powder or any other flavor can be added. All kinds of flavors can also be skipped. Rock salt can also be used, or more of red chili powder can also be used. Taste it after 7 to 8 minutes. Add whatever is required. Add sugar about 1/3 cup. Amount of sugar will depend upon taste and the sourness of the raw mango. Cook and stir for another 15 to 20 minutes in medium to low heat, or till the mango paste becomes thick and sticky. After switching off the gas stove, take away the bay leaf and cardamom skins because the flavor has already entered the mango paste. Take a flat surfaced container like a baking tray or plate, etc. Grease it thoroughly with ghee or oil. This will allow amsotto to come out easily once dried. Pour the mango mixture onto the tray. Pour all in one tray for thicker layer, otherwise 2 trays. Shake the tray to settle down the mixture and distribute it evenly in the tray. With a spoon or a small ruler or knife, the top part can be made even. Put the tray out in the sun with a mesh over it till it dries completely. Time for drying will depend upon how long we are keeping the tray in the sun and how strong is the sun rays and heat. For me, it took about 6 days to dry up because I had a thick layer. 3 to 4 days will be required for thinner layer. As you can see, it is dry on both sides. I'll now cut it into small pieces with a knife or a pizza cutter. Eat it as a dessert or appetizer or add to other ingredients to make chutney.
Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.